Hi, welcome back to my channel for a very special and unique video. Nothing that we have ever done before over here at Curl Vitality and Curls Monthly. But before I get into that, if you do not know me, my name is Barbara Delmonica, aka Curl Vitality, and I am the owner and CEO of Curls Monthly. Curls Monthly is a curly hair subscription service where each month we send you 5+ of mini-sized curly hair products, and each month I create a YouTube video for each product so it correlates with the product, so you're not just throwing a product and told to have fun, you actually will begin to know how to use it. This video today is extra special to me because I have partnered up with Innersense Organic Beauty and Curlvision to create the Curlvision x Innersense Starter Pack. But if you're here, you probably already know this and you probably already bought a starter pack and you probably have it in your hands right now. So congratulations, I'm so excited that you have this starter pack in your hands. Whether you are a old pro at your curls or you're just beginning, this is such a great place to be. So to give you a little bit of insight behind why we started the starter pack and why Curlvision is the first curl creator I wanted to collaborate with. So I started watching Curlvision's videos. They started coming up on like my For You page probably 6 to 9 months ago. He's a pretty new creator and he has obviously blown up. But his videos kept coming up on my For You page, and he has had the most interesting and unique approach to curls I have ever seen, ever. And one of the many things that he swears by is to use and only use Innersense Organic Beauty hair products. Now, these videos have gone crazy viral and have been all over the internet, but he keeps getting the same complaint. And that is that Innersense can be a little bit unreachable for people. It's definitely at the higher price point of hair products because it is one of the more luxurious product lines. So people are like, why am I about to go spend $30 a product and not even know if the product works for me? Enter the Curlvision x Innersense Starter Pack. I actually washed my hair today with the entire starter pack start to finish. And if you're looking for more of like a how-to of how to use it, number one, you can check your little PDF that is on your phone. So if you have your starter pack in your hand, you'll get a little QR code in there. And if you just scan the QR code, it'll take you to a PDF. And on there, Dusty, who is Curlvision, he has actually written out step-by-step instructions on how to use the products. I also use them my own way, and I will link that TikTok video below of exactly how I use them as well. This video is going to be mainly chatting through the pros and cons of each product, why they're good, who should use them, who should not use them, that type of thing. So within your Curlvision x Innersense starter pack, you have 5 products, and those 5 products make up an entire wash day. So we'll start with the very top of our wash day, which means the first product that we're going to be talking about is the Pure Harmony Hairbath. Ever since Dusty put me onto this, I have been using this quite a bit. It's probably like a top 5 favorite shampoo for me at this moment. Reasons why I personally love it. Number one, I love the smell. There's no added fragrances and it just smells so just fresh. It's just natural. It smells like orange extract, which is what is in there to give it that smell. I also love it because a little goes a long way, and that really goes for any Innersense Organic Beauty product. Innersense really makes sure that all of their products are very concentrated. So a little goes a long way. So when I do wash my hair, I really only need like this much shampoo, and the products are activated with water. So the sud that I get from this shampoo is incredible. You know, I'm usually a shampoo twice person. This is a shampoo that sometimes I only shampoo once with, but you just gotta feel it out. If you rinse the shampoo out and you still feel a little bit of gunk on there, then you can shampoo again. But for me, I really, will depend on how my hair is feeling that day. This product is completely kid safe. I know a lot of you asked for that. It is technically a gentle cleansing shampoo, meaning that it's not like a clarifying shampoo. But I do actually think, just based on the ingredients and how it feels on my hair, I would give it like a medium plus cleanse. So I wouldn't say it's a clarifying shampoo. I wouldn't say it's as hydrating as maybe some shampoos are. It's kind of in between there. I would personally put it. On the bottle, it says it's best for fine to medium hair. And I would agree with that, but I don't see a reason why more coarse hair couldn't use it. I guess if your hair dries out a lot. This product does contain protein. It has moisture. Some ingredients of note our coconut and rice bran, which actually is a natural way to have a really gentle cleanse to your hair. We talk about surfactants a lot on this channel, so those are basically gentle, naturally derived surfactants. We also have pumpkin seed oil, which is great for releasing tension as well as stimulating the scalp, and green tea, which has lots of anti-aging properties. It smells divine. Really great, even balancing shampoo. Cannot wait for you guys to try this out. The second product in our Innersense lineup is the Color Radiance Daily Conditioner. Now this conditioner is specifically great for colored hair, but you do not have to have colored hair for this conditioner to work. It's not gonna make your hair blonde, it's not gonna make your hair black. Don't worry about that. I use this conditioner today and oh my, I guess like moisture it gave me. My hair, you'll see if you watch that TikTok video below where I show you how to use the products, but I swear my hair was just like butter when it was in there. It just, like, talk about seaweed hair. It was so freaking satisfying. Like, I'm like, okay, this is, because this conditioner is newer to me. But Curlvision, aka Dusty, wanted to put this in the starter pack, and I'm like, okay, like I haven't really used this one too much. No, it's heavenly. You're gonna love it. The reason why it says it's for colored hair is because there's protein in it. So it basically is great for colored or damaged hair because it has those natural proteins to rebuild your hair. So again, it's not gonna color your hair in any way. It's just going to add that back in there. So it is protein containing. It's heavy, heavy, heavy moisturizing. Best of both worlds. You get the best of both. Some key ingredients that I want to discuss in here. We have rice bran oil and avocado oil, which are both great at increasing elasticity and eliminating frizz. We have our rice proteins, which, like I said, are going to be great for rebuilding hair, especially after damage. Protein is also fantastic for people with wavier hair whose hair doesn't tend to curl up as much. Protein is going to be really beneficial for you. And we also have shea butter, which is one of the most juicy moisturizers that basically exists. The good news is that the shea butter is further down the list, which means it's not right at the top, which means that there's not as much in there. So if you have finer hair, it's not going to totally weigh your hair down, but I must say, if you have finer hair, a little is going to go a long way with this because it is juicy. Next up on our wash day lineup, we have the Innersense Organic Beauty Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, there are certain people who are going to be obsessed with this leave-in conditioner and certain people who are going to be like, this is a leave-in conditioner. Reason why I say that, it's pretty water-based. So if you spray it, like, it doesn't come out, like there's no white to it, it's water-based. So what does that mean? It means that it's probably going to be a little more lightweight than something that you're used to, like a heavy cream. Now that I have it on my hand, I might as well put that in my hair. It smells great. It has like, yeah, I thought so. It's rosemary oil that makes it smell good. All their products just are like natural smelling. They just smell like the oils that are in there. So this leave-in conditioner does have great moisture and also a little bit of protein. So this is gonna be a great leave-in conditioner specifically for people whose hair tends to get easily weighed down, especially if you have finer hair. Now, you can use this conditioner, leave-in conditioner, with the rest of the pack, and you know, you're not going to, like, if you have coarser hair or drier hair, you're not going to use it and feel like you didn't put a leave-in conditioner because everything's formulated to go together. But you might just need to like figure out, based on your hair's density and your hair's thickness, how much you need. So if you have finer hair, just a few sprays. If you have thicker hair, you maybe like layer your hair and spray on each layer. Some key ingredients that I want to discuss. Tamanu oil, which is brand new for me. I never even had heard of that before, but it leaves your hair feeling nice and smooth and soft. We have rice proteins in here for that added strength and bounce. Rosemary oil, which is, we all know, a miracle ingredient, especially for growth. Honey, which is so great for moisture. Lavender oil, which aids with dandruff, and it's also a great moisturizer. Rooibos tea, which has anti-aging properties. And oregano, which I guess I do smell that in there. I know you're gonna love this. Even if you don't buy the entire pack, I have a feeling a lot of you are going to really like this one. Next up is the I Create Lift Volumizing Foam. Listen. When I was curl coaching, I probably gave this product to 40% of the people that I curl coached because it's so versatile. It's so good for so many ways. The way I use it today is like a mousse, like I just like put it on as a styling product, which it really does look so good. But another great way that you can so easily use this product is to just scrunch it into your roots only to give your roots a lift at the end of your wash routine. I know a lot of people struggle with flat roots, but this is going to help create curl clumps and enhance your texture. And you can really see this is like the main product I use. Like I use a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, a little bit of the gel, but this is really what I used on my hair. And I mean, it speaks for itself. This is a really good hair day. It does have protein, it does have moisture, and let's look a little bit more into the ingredients. First up, we have aloe vera. I love aloe vera. It's such a great moisturizer. It's such a great antioxidant for your scalp. Honey adds moisture and also shine to your styles. We have hydrolyzed rice protein, which is gonna give you that extra bounce. And sugarcane, which actually amplifies your thickness. Who knew? I did not know that one. I mean, this too. I was just loving on the Sweet Spirit leave-in, but this is probably my favorite product in the entire bunch. Last but not least is the I Create Hold. It's a gel. Now, when Dusty was choosing the products that was going to go in this starter pack, he was back and forth on whether or not he wanted to include this, because Dusty's methods often include lots of volume, big hair. So the way I use this was at the very end of my routine. I put like maybe 2 pumps on my hand, and then I just put a little tiny bit at the end. And that way I got like medium volume. It's not the most voluminous my hair has ever been, but that's okay. It's very defined and very shiny. If you wanted to try, I would definitely suggest trying this wash day without this product and just using those 4 first products. That's going to give you a much more voluminous, fluffy result, like Dusty's signature style is so much for. But I know a lot of you are used to definition, and that's what this is going to thrive for. But mess around with both. I always say, like, the point of Curls Monthly is to have fun with your hair, so why not? So this is a nice styling gel for hold and shine. You're going to achieve shape and definition. It does have a nice hold, so you will get a crunchy cast, which we love. This is actually completely protein-free, so if you're someone who's sensitive to protein, there you go. We have honey in here, which actually does provide a light hold to your hair. We have aloe, which in this case helps with manageability, and rooibos tea, which has antioxidant ingredients. I'm just so excited about what you think of this starter pack. I need to hear your thoughts. I need to hear your questions. Make sure you drop them in the comments below. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me out so much. And make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if it liked you at all. And I'll see you next time.